Hello people, welcome to my screen. Now let's review the analysis that I've done on CADJPY, AUDCF, USOIl, and EURUSD. So let's see how they have played out since the beginning of the new market week, and let's see how they have been today, if they are ready for a sell position or not. So let's start with Euro USD. Now on my chart right here, you can see on the daily time frame Euro USD. Now we have done the analysis from the higher time frame. We have seen the direction of which the market is heading to. The market is heading to the downside. AUD USD is pushing to the downside. So let's continue and review and see how Euro USD have played out. Now, on my chart right here, you can see that on the daily time frame, Euro USD is still not ready for a sell yet. It's still what? Playing around the chart. Now, on my last video, when I said that Euro USD has broke out of this previous level of support has now turned resistance. Upon once a time, I called Euro USD to pull back right here. This is a pullback right here, but unfortunately, the market ignored that level and decided to push to the downside. It gets here, it decided to start pulling back right here, and that happened. We have a pullback right here, previous level of support now turn resistance right here. It formed an evening star right here, telling us that it's ready to start selling to the downside. This is on the daily time frame. Now, you break out this counter trend line. We have the first touch, we have the second touch, and upon the third touch, Euro USD break out right here. And also, when it gets to this yellow bar right here, it was stalling right here, and I say that I will start looking for selling opportunity, provided that Euro USD can break and close right here. That happens. When it happens, I also say that let's see a pullback right here. Let a pullback happen right here, and what to confirm a strong selling position to the downside. Let's just ensure that Euro USD is not going to give us a fake selling opportunity. Let's be sure that it is strong enough to start selling. Now, and all I could see was to see Euro USD break and close break and close above this yellow bar again. Now I see that Euro USD is still not ready to start selling. If I've entered aggressively, based on the daily candlestick that I've seen here, and I say to myself, okay, since the daily time frame, since the daily candlestick has break and close right here, I should start selling. No, I just said, let me see a pullback right here from the daily and from the lower time frame, then I'll start selling this market again. And all I could see was to see daily candle break and close outside here, and I said, Euro USD is still not just ready to sell. If it's ready to sell, it will have sustained below this yellow bar and start selling to the downside. Now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see in details of the information on the daily time frame. Now on the daily time frame, now on the 4-hour time frame, let me take this out. Now on the 4-hour time frame, this was the pullback that we see on the daily time frame. This was it. Price break and close below this place. When price break this counter trend line, we have the first touch, the second touch, and upon the third touch, price was kind of romancing this counter trend line, and eventually it broke out and it closed right here. And the new market week, it pushed it down again and pull back. I was expecting to see a pullback like so. I was expecting to see a pullback to sustain, at least to maintain this level right here, this yellow bar right here. Let previous support, this was a minor level of support, let previous support turn resistance, and we start selling to the downside. And all I could see was to see, and what happened? Euro USD just break and close below this yellow bar right here. Now Euro USD is still not ready, it's still playing around, but best believe it's still going to sell. because the overall movement is pointing to the downside. So the overall movement is pointing to that side. So I would like us to move to the 1 hour time frame to see properly more candles right here. More information will be on the 1 hour time frame. Good. Now on the 1 hour time frame right now, I remember when I said that okay, after this spike happened here, and we assume that the market have sell to this level right here, and it decided to pull back. I was expecting Euro USD to sustain below this yellow bar right here, and to my surprise, Euro USD break and close outside this yellow bar right here, and it's kind of trading right here. All I could see is noise right here. This 1 hour time frame candle and noise. So we have the first touch, the second touch, let the third touch come here, or possibly the fourth touch. All I just expected was to see first touch, second touch, third touch, fourth touch, possibly let everything just happen right here, and Euro USD should start selling, and Euro USD just ignore this yellow bar. It ignored it and blow up to that side, breaking this level to that side. So let me extend this trend line to see something. Now we have the first touch, second touch, third touch. Third touch is acting like it's ready to drop. Well, this can be a fake out. Euro USD might still come back here again. Euro USD might still come back here again. Well, whatever Euro USD want to do, let it do. All I'm interested for Euro USD is to break and close and below this yellow bar right here. Then I'll start looking for selling opportunity. Looking for what selling opportunity. But for now, it seems like Euro USD is still playing around. It seems like Euro USD is still playing around. So okay, I'm coming. Let me draw out a trend line and see. Okay. Well, could this be what Euro USD wants to do? Could it be that it wants to? Could it be that this is what Euro USD wants to do? It wants to what? To maybe something like this. Maybe something like this. So you want to follow this channel to the downside. We have the first touch already, second touch right here, third touch right here. We can still have a push again. Whatever Euro USD wants to do, let it just do. All I would just want is to see Euro USD break and close below this yellow bar right here. Then what? You start looking for selling opportunity to the downside. But I'm favoring the downside on Euro USD. I'm favoring the downside on Euro USD based on the overall direction on Euro USD. So that is that on Euro USD. If Euro USD is ready to sell, we will know. Then I'll come back here to update. Now let's move next to CADJPY. Now, as you can see on my chart right here, daily time frame CADJPY, we have done the analysis from the higher time frame. The overall movement is pointing to the upside. Euro USD has created the high and higher highs, and this is a higher low. All these sell opportunity that we have seen on this daily time frame, they are higher low from the higher time frame. So I'll be calling Euro USD to come back to this key level of support. Let this level of support from here, you should see Euro USD bouncing to the upside. I mean CADJPY, not Euro USD. CADJPY should what bounce to the upside when it gets and fill this place properly. But now right here on my last video, all I was saying was that Euro USD is still why am I calling Euro USD? CADJPY is still going to what? Sell to this, is still coming right here. But just that there are minor levels of that is still holding the price from breaking lower. Once that minor level is cleared, CADJPY will definitely sell to this place. It might take time, but it's going to sell to this place. I will be looking for selling opportunities if I can see Euro USD CADJPY break and close somewhere around here. Give us a pullback. Let previous minor level of support. This is a minor level of support. let it turn to resistance after the pullback. Then I'll take a sell position to this key level of support right here. Now we have the first touch, we have the second touch, we have the third touch, we have the fourth touch, and upon the fifth touch, price breakout right here. When it gets to this minor level, this yellow bar, this minor level right here, this minor level of this minor level bounced that level to the upside, rejected that level, and is what it bounced off to come test this outer part of this inner trend line right here. I take that again. We have the first touch, we have the second touch, we have the third touch, and we have the fourth touch, and upon the fifth touch, CADJPY price break out to that level. It bounced off again because of this previous level of minor because of this minor level of support that the market has created right here. It bounced it off to come back to tear this outer part of this trend line. If that happens and CADJPY price is selling to the downside. So now let's take how this inner trend line it has done its work. Now let's work with the outer trend line. We have the first touch of the outer trend line. We have the second touch right here, and what we have the third touch right here, and upon the fourth touch, price is kind of reacting and kind of approaching this minor level of support. We might still have a rejection again. Let it enter back and test it before pushing back to this level right here. But above all, CAD JPY is still going to what sell to this place, provided that this yellow bar is cleared. If this yellow bar is cleared, CAD JPY will have space, will be free to fall to this key level of support. Let's have something like this. After CAD JPY has done whatever I want to do right here, let it do whatever I want to do. It has space to do whatever I want to do right here. When it's done with whatever I want to do, it's going to break this level right here. Let's see something like so. Pull back like this, and what CAD JPY should sell to this key level of support right here. This is our target. This is where we are coming on CAD JPY. So from there, we can go to the forward time frame to start looking for selling opportunities. So before I talk about another pair, let's go to the forward time frame to see more information on the forward time frame. Right here on the forward time frame, everything is just the same. It's just the same, just that the candlestick are more much than the daily time frame. Now as you can see right here, when the new market wicks open, it acted as if it's ready to sell. And what before that market day ended, the buyer stepped in and pushed the price up, and now it's attempting again. All you just have to see is just price to break and close below this yellow bar. Then we start looking for what selling opportunity. A pullback will confirm our selling opportunity, giving us an evening star candle right here, an evening star candle, or a bearish engulfing candle, or what, or even a chart pattern like a small double top, like what a small head and shoulder that will confirm to us that this market wants to sell here. It might not necessarily be a chart pattern. It can be an evening star candle. It can be a bearish engulfing candle, twister top, anything that will confirm to us that CAD JPY want to start selling. That is what we are going to be looking for, provided that this yellow bar is cleared, a pullback has happened, you start selling. So now let's go next to what to USOIl. USOIl. Now okay. Now on USOIl, I call this pullback right here, and it seems like the sellers are still having a strong momentum than the buyers. They are still in control right here, because now when price came break below this minor level of support right here, I was calling a pullback right here. This level right here, I thought that price is going to sell right here, but what that did not happen. Price came back here. Price shoot up to this level right here. Price what shoot up to this level right here. But what while it gets here, it was unable to what to break higher due to what has happened right here. This is a strong minor level of support of resistance in the past. When price came here, that level was resisting that price to the downside. And now when price gets here, that level also resists that price to the downside too. When US oil price gets here, it was stalling here for some time before price pushing down. But that level was just strong enough. The sellers are there, and they succeeded to push the price down to this place. And I also call the sell opportunity right here, and possibly we can still have US oil coming to test this outer part of this trend line right here before pushing on the other side. US oil is bearish, it's bullish. The overall movement is bullish. It's just that there are still some minor level on US oil that needs to be fulfilled before pushing back to the upside. So now let's go to the forward time frame to see more information detail. Now, now I'm trying to okay. Now, now on the forward time frame, this was the what? This was the information that we see on the daily time frame. Now on the forward time frame, we can now see properly what is really happening right here. Now on the forward time frame, now we can see a chart pattern right here, form right here, a chart pattern right here, form right here. This is an head and shoulder. This head and shoulder, the neckline was taken out, and it give birth to this sell pressure to the downside right here. I call this sell to this level, and it happens. If you doubt me, please go watch my previous videos. You see it there. Now, US oil is still going to the upside. It's still coming here. We still have space right here. But before you start selling, we need to see US oil fill this place properly. We might still have a selling pressure right here. If the sellers are still having some momentum, we can still get here and see US oil. In fact, US oil price is still coming to test this outer part of this trend line right here. It's still coming up. It's still coming to this trend line right here. It's just to test the outer part of this trend line and and start buying to the upside. We might have a fake out. We might have a fake out. US oil can get here and still enter as if you want to sell, and it will come back again. But whatever US oil wants to do, let it do. All I just want US oil is to feel this final level properly before we start looking for buying opportunity back to the upside. We have the first touch already. We have the second touch. The third touch is still coming, possibly the fourth or the fifth, before we start looking for buying opportunity to the upside. So that is that on US oil. So let's quickly now for the last one. So let's quickly look at EURUSD. Now on EURUSD. Now on EURUSD, I have been calling EURUSD to the upside, but just that EURUSD is just choked. It's just choked. It's just choked to move to the upside. There are still minor level of obstacle that is still rejecting EURUSD to blow to the upside. I don't just know why. EURUSD we had like is ready to move, and again it will come back again. It's not just ready to just blow to the upside, but definitely with time it will still move to the upside. Now right here, Euro USD. Okay, Euro share, not Euro USD. What am I saying? AUD share, father. AUD share, not Euro USD. AUD share. Now right here, now let's work with this inner trend line first. We have the first touch of the trend line. We have the second touch. We have the third touch right there. And what upon the third touch, that third touch bounce that price to the downside. And now we are expecting a fourth attempt right here before price should continue going higher. Now, I repeat, we have the first touch, we have the second touch, and we have the fourth, and we have the third touch right here. Now, okay, now as you can see, when AUD share price was here, I was calling AUD share price to the upside to come to attempt this to attempt this inner trend line for the third time. When price gets to that place, all I was just saying okay, now all I was just saying was what, let's see a daily candle break and close how above this yellow bar right here to come back right here and start up, or possible we could see the third touch breaking out to this level right here. But that happens, but that happens while the price was going, while it attempted this inner trend line for the third time. That inner trend line rejected that price to the downside. It bounced that trend line to the down, it rejected it to the downside. And is what, hopefully we should see price coming right here again for the fourth attempt before blowing to the upside. Now right here, I'm still looking forward. I still hope, I still expect more push, like one leg push to the downside to attempt this inner trend line again for the fourth attempt. Once that can happen, clear this place, AUDCF is coming right here. We have space right here. But right here, AUDCF is in a tight corner. AUDCF is in a tight corner. AUDCF is in a tight corner. We want to see price break and close right here. Let this level be cleared. If this level is cleared, AUDCF will have space to start pushing to the other side. Now let's go to the forward time frame. So right now on the forward time frame, we have the first touch. This is the small inner trend line. We have the first touch, we have the second touch, we have the third touch, and price is just messing around here. We might still have one leg push to the downside before we can start looking for buying opportunity. Well, as it is now, AUDCF is just choked right there. It's just choked at this corner right here. If you can see AUDCF price break and close properly right here, we should see AUDCF price blowing to the upside. But right now, AUDCF is not just ready. It's not just ready right here. I repeat, we have the first touch, we have the second touch, we have the third touch, and what price break out, it could not break higher because of this yellow bar right here. This minor level right here was rejecting that price down. We might still see AUD share price selling back right here to this key level of support right here before blowing up again. First touch, second, third, fourth, let's say like fifth touch, you can still come here when price break out from whatever AUD share want to do, let it do. All I'm seeing right now, like all I just want right now is to see AUD share price break and close right here, attempt this middle inner trend line again for the fourth attempt. This is the third attempt. The fourth one should come here. And will break out. So that is that on AUDCF. If you have watched this video to this very end, please smash this subscribe button right there.